Hello, my name is Chloe Newhart, and I am presenting today the Unit 3, Chapter 5 presentation for the 6 principles of design. The first design principle is focal point / emphasis. Emphasis is an area or object within the artwork that directs attention and becomes the focal point. The focal point is an area in the composition that has the most significance. The easiest way to create emphasis is through a focal point. And as you can see in these 2 examples on the top one, the focal point is the big circle, and everything else is leading to that big circle. And then on the bottom, we have this little blue circle that stands out from all the other little white circles. So that's the focal point in that design. So the next one is contrast. Contrast occurs when 2 or more elements in a design are different. It generates impact, highlights importance, and creates visual interest in a piece. It creates interesting relationships between visual elements. As you can see in the example to the right, that is contrast. They're both different, but they're kind of same in a way. The next one is balance. The visual weight of elements in a composition that is balanced. Balance adds stability and structure, creates emphasis and dynamics in a design. There are 3 types of balance: symmetrical, formal, asymmetrical, informal, and radial. And there are 3 different kinds of balance at the top. You can see formal balance, which is symmetrical, informal balance, which is asymmetrical, and radial, which is circular. Alright, so for the first type of balance, symmetrical balance has a mirror image balance. So you cut a piece of paper in half and then it's same on both sides. It's mainly used when a designer wants the design to have a sense of organization and stability. Asymmetrical balance is not a mirror image, it is the opposite of symmetry. It is when several smaller visual elements are on one side of the design are balanced by a larger visual component on the other side. And as you can see in the examples to the right, oh, my bad. Well, they were asymmetrical. One was different on either side. Radial balance is the elements radiate out of a central point in a circular fashion. One of the most common places to find radial balance is in nature. For example, spider webs, flowers, snail shells, and snowflakes are just some examples. And then movement helps control the viewer's eye when looking at a design piece. Using movement, the designer can create the path our eyes will travel as long as we look at a work of art. Shows action and creates a feeling of motion within a composition. Rhythm and pattern. Rhythm is reusing similar elements throughout a design, and pattern is a regular arrangement of repeated same elements. It creates a particular style, creates emphasis, hierarchy, structure, and strengthens the design. Creates a visual tempo in artwork and provides a path for the viewer's eye to follow. Unity is a good mixture of all the principles of design. It allows each individual element to coexist with one another to form an aesthetically pleasing design, an agreement between parts that make up a whole. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day.